First half Koroko was na super. But second half no na me hu say as one goal na yenya na o relax. By getting to the minute na changes by mu no. E be ye kama. Nations is so bobo there. By na dey omo ye hwea na dey was ye o mu. Yeah, about 6 matches. And then go on first time I did a league. And the any brain.
Legend, I mean, a game now. You know, supporters say, and your coach is players like
oh, send them to me and say coaches are. But the only thing is on a coach and the humanity on an eye. And the only thing is a Koroko no in himself board on Abano. A dear and this I baby kakra. Tiano na ye train say ebema bibia ye kam.
Eda winwe no onsa woman uko bechema na say uko doma
ye beji league no kra o league no.
Come on, for the first time, Kobia Kumasi Asante Koroko. Every knee Bobo Kwadidi Nations FC in the league. Eddie now. Nyamini Edana. Obia nimse dia wo kan ye no krese league match bia no ayetimi ahye Nations. Eti ball we ya be bon fact ni ani abre. Ena nyame nso ado aye na yetimi ahye.
Ye kasa assess game now. What stance now of the game? No assess game.
Ye be fa ni sa. Ye be fa ni sa.
Chama you hear individual players. And what okay your wing Peter Hamidu Akwa. A lot of supporters in the castle is all about it and finishing. And I was a technical team layer board. Ono Moyagi.
And we know Moyagi. Because near the first year Ukraine, Hamidu Akwa no finish. Because when your ball was center line, no the qua. We had the out the go do us a bit shena and any problem. And in function no man.
After the game supporters and your technical team is a place na somebody. Na can be out Chama K5 and maybe our line up the Kwanko Mabe show and your technical team. What funny say?
Their supporters need be can still me no Moyagi. Hey, Kotoko team Kotoko ni coach. No cry back.
Wow.
Kotoko ni coach.
From a showing in a moment there as
Yeah, sure ball natural. Your coach is no money room. No cry back. Kotoko team. Bakotoko ni coach. Nyasa okasa make us engineer say na bia coach there. Ba no krani nyame Kotoko ewu team. Omo players ba ka coach.
Chairman, after a year match week 26, and the results will be brave. That's what be not to perform. In the Osha League, between the other solo and a 6 points. Games no so that can be brave. But I commit me at the league now.
Your league need you the heading. Me the debia make because league we na ka Kotoko dia. Ba ya jeja ho ama na duru ba bia e ha. Na de ba ko a emanipa ehome so. Unsa tem bia ese de Kotoko ye be overtake obi no na ya sate atofom. It we catch any power brace we hwe adua na match ni. So because media ma me hu de aye wo are still as a woman lose matches. So it Kotoko boys ne ka so mo yirom ho a ene se mu me nka ne kre koti abobo. Obi an so hwa Albert onso opike ba onso bo adwuma nti omaya ade
okay Chama you say new board about we did say after the season I think the technical team media obi enu ho better now we can technical team so as say obi enu ho ya ade then share a lot of people for this Ghanaian coaches enya when is uncle for the yard and I know my advice be na the ma this board for the next technical team ever
Mr. My advice of the Bema board media meeting can radio so because empany for Africa catch say o Bema board na be share tim be can radio so enye ba no kra nyame anim so wo hwemu a board no adwuma o so mo yiro mo do mo na asifom so mo do mo na asifom ye dia enima be sheda akoyi pa Asante Kotoko team
Samba contract eba na we Kamara eba na we Adetina o just a new board na extending no mo kwa be yon wan
so ma extending no mo kwa enya me nwanwa me dia ewiase bibia no e me nwanwo because ewiase bibia atimi so but somebody e come yire omo extend man kebebo
Chairman, I'm over the week and some did try high for supporters, for global, for circle, any other. Our former circle chairman, the representative better take a credit on Sa and Komono. Now, you said that.
Mini amamin kanu krenchirem. Me kanu kre we achire kotoko support bia. Sa press conference na media men kase WhatsApp groups na ye. Abeye eye no eye totally wrong. Ne no so yes our press conference no kra. Because circles yen chair kra 40 good years. Na be kase ye meeting oduase. Enye obia nso meka he wo ye de benya wo benya circle member bia onye correct. Sa na wo ye de benya WhatsApp group member bia onye correct. Institution bia benya nipa bia na Jesus kra na suafo no omonam. Peter say wudi agro betwa uti. Judas obeyiwa ma. Tu benya nipa bi sa ba aka ni general sa emwa. So no say ko yes our press conference because me WhatsApp groups say 50 metu aka say me da 40 so.
Wow, okay.
Say 50 me metu aka say me da 40 so.
That is all circles need na mu no.
Me did WhatsApp groups bebre so. Omo so na de metu so.
No make contribution now.
Me tua pa. So na ade ba kwa me pese me kan say. Kotoko supporters in general no. Circle din no. Ye nyina ye din o. Eno na menhia de bae. So na de to so biem. Me pese obi ate ase say. Ya ade bi na ye som. WhatsApp groups omusum kotoko. Circles omusum kotoko. Tiare no se yakun.
Madam Chairman, se metwase ya. On say ebi de binum trim say circles no nko. Se wo ye kotoko supporter enye necessarily say wo ye circle member. Minim say picture na me paint no ate ase na be clear ho no na maya.
Dia me pa kire ni say WhatsApp group bitimi trans. No ma toto ni ma no mde abeche kotoko. Circles timi trans. No ma toto ni ma no mde abeche kotoko. Etie mi no ade ntino say yakun.
Sir, Chairman, eno na omutim say ya the global anyway ni beba yemfa circles leading ni yede ebia circles council be global supporters one council eno ni emilem amemo won ti ase then on be kwa koyo won circles say na global for no sha yo mu so madwuma
Minia so omo nti ase a ye ntra te se de da ye no WhatsApp for ye nye WhatsApp circle for nye omo circle ba no kura nyame anim Asante Kotoko unity na matim ni yetim etiki ya nyina etimi kaboma kebeboa ba ye fi se nkabom ni ntimi fa bibia amre ye ede ntokwa na bebre dia obi anya ne dia se anya hwe nti nu ni kwan bia so okotena se wo ye press conference ka ko radio ba ku skra na akoka asase na fine wo ye press conference na circles na oh there be ona akofa nsem we nyina ba anya ade
you say you council bibia na chairman so nya ni national supporters council
National supporters chairman.
there be ohwe no kura nyame no mpanimfo afra ye mpanimfo eti humye miensa no hu se be yesi ana se be yesi ye ko ho wi a ene ebehu se be yesi ana se be yesi
ye hu chairman we dey say ye hu ye na aduana nyame ya adoma awe one assess game is this is a
me kura assess ya no obi ka kire mi o se ene aduana
Chairman, wouldn't say any aduana.
there be na me say we born match after match
Me aware so much after match.
because nations match ne hia me pa no kura ye ba ko pe nations aba premier yentimi hye wo muda what be that unse na ha adwene se ne emfa ye ni nko ho kra na da bia omusoma na o ma hye eti we na ntinya me ya adom akwasi ada ye kwa aduana se obi anim se aduana se ye no omo problem bia ni ho bia enti on the day players ni begina omo so players a ombenya omo day e no ombehye
Chairman, the last time I kwa aduana no me kai Patrick Esiedu free kick ana abetamu ade ba ko so e ma bibia ti ko yi e ma problem kuma se Asante Kotoko. Are we expecting a repetition?
Oh, na say question ba ko abusam say betumi age league. Say Kotoko person mo age league na say so mtimi share aduana. What you share aduana dia na wontimi ni league.
na just
Eti e kona
asam na kan game no nsa wo mu.
Game where boy.
Ya be na win no nsa wo.
Hey. Me nsa wo, da manya nsa wo, twum nsa wo. Solo nsa wo.
Na se bobo no wa tiri.
Ye da bia ye boy ball. Ye body boa o.
Supporters na.
Anentimi busa wo wo. Da bia o mi busa wo. O me ko score ampa ye mo. ɛna me nso me ma ne kotokoti mu nti o mbɛbɔ bɔ na nkɔbɔ mpaeɛ ma na nya me ade ya me ntia se o me yanka no kro enkramofoɔ se nyame baako pɛ ne wɔ hɔ kristofoɔ se nyame baako pɛ ne wɔ hɔ dia ya yegu nsanso yenso yesi nyame baako pɛ ne wɔ hɔ enti se ho na yɛbɔ mpaeɛ ma nyame ne yɛsra me ba ya me hu se wiem aye blue nam se nyankopɔn de wase because no mere wasi for
at some point in time you will more bet how could be bet before the
na kwan kwa do bi nyame ne bɔ
the ball back
Come on, the best. Why? Thank you.